You so different apart from the rest. Cool, I dropped out, I don't really take tests. You gave me a love, I'm addicted like just girl, I think you. Ladies, can you back?
Hey guys, so I kind of look dark. So today we're gonna be trying more donuts. This is a blueberry glazed donut. I'm cutting them because I just want a little nibble. I don't want to be fat.
Boy, if you don't get.
People are looking at me. Okay, so this is a blueberry one, and it's a cake donut. I don't want to get fat, you guys, so I'm just gonna try a little of each one that I haven't tried before. It was good. It's not like too hard. We got these this morning, so now we're gonna be trying the maple one. So maple one is just maple glaze. That one's good. I give that one 6 out of 10 because it kind of tastes the same. Like, there's nothing really different. I give the blueberry one 8 out of 10. Yeah, actually it's kind of good. So like more like a 9 out of 10. Now I'm gonna be trying the pineapple one. These candies are so dumb. I don't like. I get the thing. This one is the pineapple one. I don't know. I don't really like that one. Not bad. It's like 5 out of 10. Number one. I think this one's gonna be good. Wow. Not that filled. Come on, Krispy Kreme. Come on, Krispy Kreme. I wanna like not take all the filling, but like get a good amount. There you go. Okay. Lemon filled. That one's good. I give that one 8 out of 10. Now we're trying the strawberry one. I think I rated the lemon one like an 8 out of 10. I don't know. I know what I wanted to try. It's just like Dunkin' Donuts. I like the Dunkin' Donuts one better, for sure. I don't want like a 4 out of 10. This one's an apple cinnamon filled. Should be good. Let's see how much this one's filled. It's like filled in one spot. Okay, I got a little bit filling.
Oh, yes, we are. Yeah, we're already in 12 o'clock or something like that. So while we were in the lounge.
This one's good. I like the 8 out of 10. So we're just waiting in the lounge right now. So yeah. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah. Bye.